What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com, and what I want to share with you in this video is how you can make $5,000 per month online. Now, this is going to be the crazy part because people will think that you have to do something outrageous, really crazy, or spend tons of money in order to hit this goal. And believe it or not, it's a lot simpler than what you think it is, okay? And it's going to be probably some information that you've probably heard before, especially if you follow my channel. It's going to be information that you heard before, and like my motto is pretty much when it comes to online business is keep it simple. When you keep it simple and you be consistent, that's when you're going to start seeing a lot of results inside of your business, right? So the first thing you need to do in order to hit $5,000 per month, right? You need to find a business that pays decent commissions. Now, the reason why I want to say this is because, there's companies out here that, where you can earn like high ticket commissions and things like that. And some people will get scared to promote things like that because they feel that other people that they may promote this this business to don't have the money to afford that. So they easily are attracted to things that are like the commissions are like $5, $7 or something like that, $10 or something. Something where it's free to join, but even when it's free to join, the commissions are still small on the other end or whatever. And that's not going to help you to hit your goal. Now, I'm not saying that it's completely impossible, but you're going to have to do a lot of work in order to hit that $5,000 goal. So the same, like you probably heard this before too. So the same amount of effort that it takes to sell a $10 product is the same amount of effort it'll take to sell a $500 product. Okay, it's the same amount of effort. So with one of the affiliate companies that I actually promote, what I do, basically for me to hit like a $5,000 goal with that particular company, all I need to do is sell 9 to 10 all-in sales. And all-in sale with this particular company is like it equals about like $520. Okay, so within a calendar month, if I do 9 to 10 of those sales, I will have a $5,000 month. Again, and I'm just doing basic marketing, guys. I do a lot of YouTube. I post on Facebook. I buy a little traffic here and there. But that's mostly what I do, and I'm able to hit that number, okay? So make sure you find a business that pays out decent commissions, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to develop your marketing plan. Now, the one equation that I want you to remember, especially if you're brand new to the online space, is relationships equals sales, okay? If you can't remember that, then you're going to have more success inside of this industry. So what I mean by this, so like I said, actually just kind of figure out what type of marketing you feel a little bit more comfortable with, right? Because I do a lot of videos. I do a lot of videos on YouTube, same thing with my Facebook. I do videos over there. I do live streams. And a lot of people are not really comfortable with being in front of the camera. You can still do videos where you're not showing your face, where you're just recording your screen. You can do that as well. Or maybe you're just really good at, making posts on social media like Facebook, where you're doing like long story posts or something like that. Figure out what your marketing plan is going to be and make sure that you're really consistent with it, okay? Now, the reason why you want to do that is because the more visible you become, the more is able for people to actually see you, relate to you, know more about you, and now they feel more comfortable about doing business with you. So the reason why, so if any of you see my video, I did, I think a few days ago, I think it's how to make $1,000 per day. And I was talking about my FaceTube method, okay? And with this same method is how I get a lot of sales. So basically, I would do videos over here on YouTube where I provide a lot of value, and I tell people, or people will go look in the description below the video where they can actually connect with me on my social media. So they come on the YouTube, they see my video, they learn some stuff, they get a lot of value, then they connect with me on Facebook, and now they're seeing more about my life, right? So I make posts, I'll do value posts over there as well. I can do posts about my particular business that I'm in. If I'm out with some friends and doing live stream videos or whatever else, now they can build that interaction with me and actually connect with me on a social level. By me doing that, I'm building a relationship with that potential customer, and that eventually turns into a sale. So that's what I mean by you want to make sure that you develop your marketing plan and make sure that you're consistent with it. So if you're going to choose Facebook as your marketing plan, that's fine. What you need to do is make sure you beef up your marketing so that way you're staying consistently on your newsfeed. So you definitely want to beef up your marketing to where you're posting at least 4 times per day. Something like that, right? You want to stay on top of mind, and you want to stay visible on your newsfeed, okay? People got to see you. They have to see that you're in business, okay? And that's a good way for people to actually interact with you and become customers or buy your products or services. Now, something else you need to do, you need to make sure that you include your call to actions in your posts and your video descriptions. Believe it or not, as simple as this is, a lot of people are not doing it, okay? So if you're going to make a video on YouTube talking about your business or providing value, in the description below the video, make sure you include a link to whatever it is that you're promoting. Same thing when you're doing a Facebook post. You want to tell people like, hey, this is my story. This is how I got started into online marketing. And if you want to get started the same way I did, click on this link below right here. You want to make sure that you're including call to actions on every single post or video that you do. If you're not putting your link out there, there's no way for people to join you. Okay? Make sure you include call to actions, right? And then also make sure, and this is highly important, you want to make sure that you are collecting leads, building your email list, and you continue to build those relationships. Again, relationships equals sales. So whatever business you're promoting, a lot of them just give you a link to like a replicated site or whatever. You never want to use that link. You always want to make sure that you're sending your traffic, your potential customers or your teammates or whatever to a capture page where they have to submit their email address in order to get something for free. So let's say you're promoting a particular company and you want to tell people like, hey, find out about the company that's helping me to make $1,000 per month. You can get this free video. In order to get this free video, give me your email and I'm going to send you this free video. Okay? So that way you're now building your email list, because in most cases, people are not going to buy or sign up for something right off the bat. Okay? They have to see something at least, 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. Right? So that's the reason why you want to make sure that you build that email list, and then you continue to build those relationships by following up through email marketing. So now that you have your email list, make sure that you're emailing your list at least, a few times per day, not per day, a few times per week, and maybe like 3 times per week. Some people do every day. Some people do every other day. Whatever works for you. I typically do about 2 to 3 days out the week. And make sure that you're doing that consistently. And when you're sending those emails, you want to provide value, of course. You could talk about your company, share testimonials of people who are having success with your company. And then you can also, share your story and things like that, so people can actually get comfortable with you. When they start to become more comfortable with you, again, they're going to be more comfortable to go ahead and sign up and work with you, because they actually can connect with you as a person. Okay? So, again, this is really, really simple, guys. And you can apply this to whatever business you are in. And like I said, just keep it really simple. Make sure that you're being really consistent. If you do this, you can hit that $5,000 per month goal, and it'll be the same thing that you're going to do to hit $10,000 per month, okay? It's going to be the same few things over and over again. It's going to get really repetitive. It's going to be real monotonous after some time, but trust me, it works. Keep it very, very simple, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you just comment below. And I'll also, if you want to know more information about the company I promote that I just mentioned earlier, that's helping me to, get like, $520 sales and things like that, go ahead and click on that link below this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video and click the notification bell so you can get more updates when I do videos like this. And I see you guys on the next one. Peace.